everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make asparagus rice using leftover asparagus ends. It was my son's request, simple yet delicious, just like green peas rice. If you have ever tried it, I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. See where asparagus naturally snaps. That's where you're gonna trim them. You don't need to peel them, easy for kids to help. Thinly slice asparagus ends. Cook 2 cups of rice in rice cooker. When the rice is cooked, open and mix in asparagus ends and salt. By the way, of course, you can add whole asparagus. Cover and leave for 5 minutes. Then serve. Easy, right?
Now it's done.
Simple yet delicious, goes perfect with any kind of side dish. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Itadakimasu.箸全然使ってないな。たくまにお願いします。チャンネル登録お願いします。ゲットボタン押してね。バイバイ。